Hi, this is Jerry from Jerry&Linda's Place. We are so excited to bring you another one of our videos today. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like, and share, and don't forget to hit the bell. See you later. Vicinnia.
Can I get it? What are you gonna do? Keep it away from me? Huh? Can I get that stick? Huh? Can I get it? Let me get that stick. Oh, you're not gonna let me get it? Huh? Huh? Let me get that stick. You're not gonna let me get it? Oh, look at you, Treva. Oh, we're getting tangled up here, aren't we? Here we go. I'm coming to get the stick. I'm coming to get it. Oh, wow. Treva, I'm coming to get that stick, boy. Can I get it? You gonna let me have it? No? Oh, look at you. Look at you, pup. I'm gonna get that stick. Let me get that stick. Give me that stick. Give me that stick. Give me that stick. Oh, he won't let me have it. Here he goes, taking off again. Boy, Trevor likes this stick. I brought it over from the other place we moved from. He liked that one over there, and I brought it here. The nice bigger one. He likes this stick. Don't you, Treve? Huh? No? You gonna let me get it? Huh? You gonna let me get it? Oh, look at you. Look at Treva. Yeah. Oh, I got it. Ready? Go! Look at him go. Look at Treva go. Here he comes. Woo-hoo-wee! Treva. You got it. Huh? Look at him. He's teasing me now. Look at this guy. He don't want me to take it from him. Huh? Do ya? Huh? Do ya?